My name is Ayushman Pant. Today we're making a windmill, and it's like this. Meteorologists who studies weather use these to measure the wind. And that's how it works. And these are the two strips of paper. You can draw the pencil like that. I already did it. One pencil, 5 cups, 1 pen, 1 cardboard, and 1 stapler. And you can have a ruler if you're just starting that and that. So okay, let's get started. I don't need this cardboard, so I'm going to put it somewhere else. Now you need 1 cup. I get another cup. And do that. And I do that on the other side. And now do the other side. And now you put these together, and now you'll be needing the cardboard. And now we need this cup, and you need this with you need a pencil with an eraser, and then you carefully put it here. Use your parents' help. Yes, I'm using it carefully. And now you go to pin it like that. And then that, and then that's how you make your windmill. And I'm going to show you how it blows again. That's how it blows. Thank you for watching my 4th Science and Engineering episode. See you soon. Bye-bye. See you soon.